హలో ನಾನು ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟಲ್ಲ.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hello.
Sir is not there, I think.
Wait.
We just started the class and went somewhere.
Yeah. Wait for some time. They will come. Don't worry.
Good evening to everybody. Hello, hello, hello. It is audible. Hello, 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 hello. Tell me, anybody? Hello, hello, hello. Now it is audible. Hello, 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 hello. Yeah. And now concentrate here. Very important. Lately they are giving a connection. And now, up to now, we are learning about alter with add, alter with modify, alter with drop. I am telling. Whenever I am telling about alter with drop, it is used to remove the columns from the existing table. But unfortunately, second method is the best method forever. Single or multiple columns we are dropping is possible. Up to that one we are discussing. But unfortunately, whenever we are trying to drop all columns in a table, alter table, table name. So now what is the table name? First drop column name. What is the column name? S number in a previous class. Whenever we are typing like this, automatically cannot drop all columns in a table. Up to this one we are discussing in a previous class. That's why in all relational database also, if any table having a 5 columns, then we are allowed to drop only 4 columns from that table. Okay, yeah, that is everyone knows. One column stay in existence. Whenever a table having only one column, we cannot drop that column. That is everyone knows. But unfortunately, can we drop this table totally? Yes, possible. Suppose here this is a table is there. Now DSC, what is the table? Here first is a table. In this first table, this total table I want to drop, not a column, total table I want to drop possible. Then another drop is there. Very, very, very important. That is write it only drop. Drop means this is individual drop, okay? Not a alter with a drop. Now anybody tell me, whenever we are using a water, drop means so many fellows are, you are also thinking, oh, dropping a table. This drop command is used to dropping a table purpose only we are learning. But unfortunately, there is wrong one. This drop is used to remove not a table. I want to drop any database object also possible. Suppose I want to drop a procedure means drop procedure name we are using. I want to drop a trigger means drop trigger name we are using in a project side. I want to drop a index means drop index name we are using. That's why in a database object also we are allowed to drop. First initial programmers we are using a what? A table dropping only. Later in a database object also we are dropping only. Write it, side heading, drop. Fastly write it, drop. It is used to remove. It is used to remove. It is used to remove database objects. It is used to remove database objects from database. In a database, I don't know. From database. But unfortunately, one drawback is there. What is that one? Suppose in my project, suppose this is a table is there. T1 is a table. This is another table, T2 is a table is there. Another table, T3 is a table is there. Suppose these 3 tables I want to drop at a time means you are also thinking, how can I drop table T1 comma T2 comma T3 we are thinking. That is wrong side. Impossible. Any database also, what the drawback means, at a time only one database object we are allowed to drop, not a number of database objects. Suppose here number of tables also not possible, number of procedures also not possible, number of functions also at a time impossible. That is a drawback in every relational database, not only that one. So now here not only what I can suppose if you want to drop a table, 3 tables at a time is impossible, but one at a time possible. Suppose this solution, how can I drop table name one time? Again another time we are using a what? Yes, here drop table name T2 like this. Again another time drop table name we are using means possible. That's why at a time we are not allowed to drop all the tables, all the objects, but one by one we are allowed to drop. That is also notes. Write it enough. Write it in all relational databases. Maybe that one everyone knows. In all relational databases, in all relational databases, we are allowed to drop. We are allowed to drop only one database object, only one database object at a time, only one database object at a time. One underline it, at a time underline it. Only one database object at a time. Okay, now syntax. Generally, what is the syntax means? You are also thinking drop table name. You are thinking that is the wrong side actually. What is the syntax of the dropping database objects means? Drop is a keyword is there. Slowly observe it. This is a generalized syntax in every database. Drop. Here, object type they are giving. This object type may be in a feature, table or procedure or function or trigger or package, cluster, index, anything also possible. Space, object name. Which name you are giving a developers? The name of the object we are using. There is a original syntax. Suppose this syntax based only, yes, here a number of examples also we are allowed to drop some database objects possible. Suppose I want to create a syntax of the where, yes, dropping a table means drop is a keyword. Here object type means that is a keyword, table is a keyword, object type is a table. Here object name is table name, first is table, emp table, something is there, no, that's a table name. Okay, na? Yes, suppose another example. So in a number of database objects also, yes, at a time only one database object. Drop index in a feature concept is there. Index name, we drop view name, drop sequence name like this. Write it this one, but today we are learning dropping tables. Okay, fastly write it. Drop object type, object name. Example, drop table name. Drop index name, drop view name, drop synonym name, drop cluster name. Like this, so many database objects are there. Okay, na? Now very important. We are learning about dropping a table, most powerful. Because first time newcomer means only this database object only you have an idea of dropping a table. How you are dropping a table means concentrate here. This is very interesting. Maybe anybody attending a demo classes, those persons are telling correct answers. And now here, check it out. Slowly observe it here. This is a table is there. For example, in a table. Okay, for example, first is a table is there. Now I am typing a what? Drop table name first only. Now this table nowadays in a 90s software, this table is permanently dropped or temporarily dropped, permanently removed or temporarily removed. Anybody guess it? Anybody attending a demo classes means maybe they are guessing only. This is permanently removed or temporarily removed? Very good. Who are telling a what? Temporarily removed, correct answer. Why? Because now here not a permanently means before Oracle 10G, but Oracle 10G onwards, anybody attending a demo classes, I am telling a what? Which one? Recycle bin is a concept is there. Very interesting concept. Same like a Windows recycle bin. Same Windows recycle bin concept they are introducing in a where? Oracle 10G onwards. In Enterprise Edition, Oracle 10G onwards. Yes, they are introducing a what? Recycle bin concept. Same like a Windows recycle bin. Suppose here already have an idea, maybe anybody good at what Windows recycle bin means. Suppose here, this is a what? Autonomous. Okay, this is a file is there. Whenever I am deleting a what, this file means, okay, now, sorry. And now here, whenever I am deleting a what, so now here, this file automatically, this is a what deleted. So now here, yes, here, but here, this deleted file automatically stored in a where? Recycle bin. That is everyone knows. Now this is a recycle bin is there. I want to get it back from the recycle bin means right click, restore we are using. Whenever we are using a right click restore means get it back this file from the recycle bin into original state or not. Same like we can also drop a, whenever we are dropping a table in a Oracle 10G onwards, that is stored in a recycle bin. Again, we are getting back from the recycle bin means same like a restore, flashback table is a command is there. Flashback table is a command is there. Today I will tell you through that one we can get it back possible. And now here suppose here this is a restore, possible or not? Yes, possible. Same like a flashback table is there. Today I will tell you. But I don't want like this only. I want to delete a permanently means everyone knows. Yes, here just we are using a what? Suppose this one I want to permanently delete it means just I'm using a what? Yes, here in a Windows, Shift plus, very good. Shift plus delete, something we are using on same like permanently I want to remove means I don't want to store in a recycle bin means in a Oracle side. Here drop table name, drop table name plus another command, same like a shift plus delete. Here purge is a command we are using, purge. Extra command purge we are using only. Then automatically permanently it will be removed. That is we are learning. That's why those things I'm applying practically. And now here, yes, here truncate next only. And now here, yes, here dropping a table. Okay, first diagrammatical I'm writing, then only I will tell you practically. Suppose here this is a table is there, this is a table temporarily dropped, DSC first only, that is not there, that is there in a recycle bin. I want to get it back means flashback. I will tell you syntax and all these things. Flashback table name, yes, to before drop, some commands are there. Today I will tell you those things. Whenever you are a good professional, you are typing what these commands, automatically get it back the table. Same like a Windows recycle bin only, restore mechanism, place flashback table they are giving. Permanently dropped you want means shift plus delete. That's why how you are understandable means simple. Same like a Windows recycle bin, but first time newcomer purpose. Diagrammatically I am telling. Suppose here main heading only dropping a table. In this one only, just I'm dropping. Okay, so now I'm drawing a two diagrams, easily understandable. Observe here. This is before. Yes, left hand side, I'm telling you what before Oracle 10G. Before Oracle 10G, whenever we are dropping a what table, what happened? Observe here. Suppose I'm dropping a what table. This is a syntax I'm using, for example. What is the syntax for dropping a table? You have an idea. Now check it out. Drop table name, for example. Whenever we are using this one, diagrammatically very easy. Suppose here, this is a what database is there, for example, Oracle database. Here, Oracle side, another database recycle bin is not there. Here, now here, check it out. Here, this is a table is there, for example. Whenever this is a table is there, this is permanently removed in olden days. Really, some fellows are telling permanently removed. Correct. Before Oracle 10G, permanently removed. Here permanently removed. Correct. But unfortunately, now here, yes, in a Oracle 10G onwards, enterprise edition onwards, they are giving a one solution only, security side, same like a Windows recycle bin. Recycle bin is a new concept they are introducing. Suppose here Oracle 10G onwards, Oracle 10G, 11G, now here 12C, 18C, 19C, Oracle 10G onwards. But unfortunately here within the parentheses, enterprise edition, not express edition. That's why I'm telling what enterprise edition loaded time telling. Enterprise edition only, within this edition, security side, they are giving enterprise edition software side. Yes, they are giving a one new concept, that is recycle bin concept. But unfortunately, how you are understandable, very easy. Suppose here I am writing a what same like a what nowadays programmer, here dropping a table, for example, drop table name, they are writing, for example. Whenever they are writing this one, what happened? Everyone knows, very easy. Now, whenever a table is there in this Oracle database, for example, this Oracle database, whenever in this Oracle database, any table is there, the table automatically stored in a where? Recycle bin only. This is a table is there, for example. Anything roughly announced. Otherwise, you die without diagram also. Windows you are remembering is enough. Table, this table automatically stored in a way recycle bin. Recycle means another data dictionary is there, later you are familiar, but today recycle bin you don't know practically in a way, or a data dictionary also. Oh, something is there, recycle bin is there, understandable enough. Recycle bin is there, same like a Windows recycle bin. In that recycle bin only, that table is storing. Okay, fine. Now I want to get it back, this table from recycle bin. Get it back, observe here, get it back, table from recycle bin. Get it back table from recycle bin. recycle bin only. How can I table name? You have an idea, then possible. How it is possible means, just how can I view recycle bin also? I will tell you today. Just some syntax they are giving only Oracle Corporation. Same like a what restore mechanism in a Windows. Here some syntax they are giving. What is that one means? Flashback table space is there. Table name. Which table you want to get it back to? Before drop. Flashback table name to before drop is a command. Before drop means don't think that before dropping, after dropping only. This is a command. Flashback. So now here flashback here. Yes. Here flashback. Spelling is wrong. Flashback table name to before drop is there. Now here again observe it here. Now I don't want like this permanently. I want to drop. To drop permanently. If you want to drop permanently, then we are using which one? Yes, very good. Purge is a command, extra command we are using. Fastly draw this one. Otherwise, take a snap. Drop table name purge. Both the sides write it. Draw this one. Same like this one means easy. Both the sides draw this one. Left hand side also draw this one. Right hand side also draw this one. Otherwise, take a snap. Flashback, Flashback Flashback table name to before drop. Draw this one. Before Oracle 10G, this Oracle 10G onwards. Oracle 10G onwards, same like Windows recycle bin. Recycle bin as a concept is there when we are dropping a table. The table is stored in a where? Recycle bin. I want to get it back from this table from recycle bin means flashback table name to before drop command. I don't want like this. To drop table permanently means drop table name purge is an extra command we are using. To drop permanently means table permanently. Completed. I'm applying practically now. Then I am telling what is recycle bin already. Fastly write it. Completed fast. Simple. Just to flashback table name to before drop and drop table name purge you are remembering me same like Windows, no, nothing. Completed. Otherwise, take a snap. Anybody not writing fastly means take a snap through the mobile. Then later you are write it. Completed. Okay, na? This is enterprise edition. 10G onwards, this concept is there. How interviewer are beautifully asking a questions means I will tell you first write this one. Nowadays flashback table with rename also there. Flashback table name first to before drop rename to first one anything also there. Completed? Yes, very good. Now here check it out. And now here concentrate here. And now here. Permanently deleted, how can I get it back? Impossible. Okay. Some people are asking, I am unfortunately permanently dropping a what? That a table. How can I get it back? Means impossible. Permanently dropping means we cannot get it back. Permanently dropping it data also we can get it back in a future. Flashback queries are there 99. That is different. This is table. Okay, yeah, table only. Table different, data different. table. And now here, check it out. This is a new concept, just same like a Windows recycle bin. Now here, observe it here. Suppose presently DSC, this is the first table is there in a previous classes. Now here, yes, number is a column is there. The table is there, no? Yeah. Now today, this is my system is 19C. That's why recycle bin is working. This is my enterprise edition. That's why working. Suppose I try to test really this is working or not. Observe it here. Drop table name first. Whenever I'm dropping this table dropped, permanently dropped, temporarily dropped, messages are not displayed. Table dropped is a message, it will display. Really, that is table is dropped or not, I want to check. I want to view that database object in a way within the database means DSC table name. It is not there because object first does not exist. But that is available in a way recycle bin. Within the recycle bin, the table is available or not, I want to check means show recycle bin we are using. Show space recycle bin actually. That is later I will show you. Okay, first observe it here. I want to get it back this table from recycle bin. Suppose here show space recycle bin is there. Recycle bin big concept really, but just idea purpose. Show space recycle bin. Okay, fine. Whenever recycle bin is there, okay, don't worry about this object type and also time, why they are giving a drop time or anything, because same names are there, which one is dropped first, so many concepts are there. First observe here, this is the original name, first observe here, first is there, okay. Show recycle bin means the table is there. I want to get it back, this table from recycle bin into database. How can I? Flashback table name. First, compulsory table name you must familiar, otherwise it won't work. Flashback, all the tables also we cannot get it back. Only one table. Flashback table name. To before drop. Comments only, nothing is there. Before drop like this. Flashback completed. Observe here, flashback completed. Now, really that is available or not, I want to check DSC first only, simple. Now I don't want like this. I want to drop this table permanently because this is not an important table in my project. I want to drop permanently same like a before Oracle 10G. Otherwise, nowadays expression is aside. Now how can I drop table name first only? Purge I am writing. Purge is a extra command, same like a shift plus delete. Here also table is dropped. So many fellows are checking about DSC table name. I'm not interested to use that one. Why? Because whenever flashback table you are applying means really that object is available or not available, easily messages through you are understandable. Suppose your same thing, flashback table I'm using only testing purpose. Yes, automatically object not in recycle bin is a message, it will display or not, testing that one. Okay, first fastly write it. Then I'm telling you what entry question. Write it. Example. First is a previous class table. Okay. Yeah. Sure is a given. Don't write it only. Or write it. Example. Drop table first. Table is dropped. Now we have to check it out. Testing purpose DSC. Your object does not exist. It will display message. Get it back. Table from recycle bin. Fastly write it. Same that command. Get it back table from recycle bin. Test it. DSC through test it. To drop table permanently. To drop table permanently. This is also right. Some fellow is asking, I have a doubt, sir, where data is stored when creating a new table in SQL Plus? Whenever we are creating a table Any database object also in a Oracle side, here in a hard disk only that table is storing. In a hard disk only, data files is a physical files are there in operating system. .dbf files are there. .dbf files are there. In these files only your tables are available, not a data table, create tables. Now test it. Firstly, testing. Testing, I'm using a flashback, because why flashback I'm using DSC, I'm not interested, means maybe same table is there, which table is top, get it back first, which table is get it back next. You are understandable in a future, that's why. Okay, now one question I'm asking based on this knowledge, maybe guess it. Guessing, you are guessing is great. Completed this one fast. Completed, yeah. Very, very interesting question. And now so many interviewer fresher level, this question they're asking. Suppose I am learning a course Oracle. Whenever I'm learning a Oracle course, I'm putting a fake experience, 3 years experience. I'm putting, for example, PLSQL developer jobs are there. That's why I'm learning a course. And also I'm putting a fake experience. Only I'm attending an interview. Whenever I'm attending interview, maybe my interviewer just, he's asking generalized way. Murli, are you good at what recycle bin? He's asking. Yes, I am telling. How much easy way they're asking questions, observe here. Murli, yesterday in my project side, project, how intelligent fellows asking what observed here. Murli, yesterday I'm working in a where project side. In that project, one of my colleague only suddenly dropping a important table only. Whenever he is dropping a important table, yes, here, but I want that table only. How can I get it back? That table, he's asking. Yes, I am also, you are also telling a very easy, oh, nothing is there. That table now onwards, we are using a Oracle 10G Enterprise Edition onwards, that is stored in a recycle bin. We can get it back from the recycle bin by using a flashback table. Yes, here through that one, we can get it back. I am telling. Interviewer also well-known person. Why? Because this easy concept, everyone telling only, now here yes, answers only, the well-known persons. That's why maybe he's asking. Then suddenly, next question very important. Now suddenly he's asking, my body language is not good. That's why my interviewer, okay, so now asking one real-time question. Why? Because I am working or not working, easily he's identifying only. Now check it. Otherwise, good subject is there or not, easily they are checking. How he is asking me is observed here. Mostly, okay, you are telling flashback table 2, we can get it back that table. Okay. But unfortunately, here, this table is there, same yesterday project only. But unfortunately, one of my colleague only dropping a column. Column, you have an idea? No? Yes, columns in a previous classes you are familiar, no? Yes, so unfortunately, important column, one column, he is dropping only alter table name drop column is there, no? Just he is dropping a one column only. That is an important column. How can I get it back this column? Is asking. Then I'm a fake candidate. That's why I am telling about, oh, maybe is an intro question only. That's why recycle bin concept is there. Immediately I'm telling nothing is there. We can get it back. So now here this column by using a recycle bin, I'm telling means immediately rejected. Wrong one. Immediately rejected. Why? Because in a Oracle databases, unfortunately, you are dropping a column means that is permanently dropped. That is never stored in a recycle bin. That is the biggest drawback. We cannot get it back by using a flashback also. Impossible. That's why anybody observing or not, yes, you're in a previous cases, today you're observing or not, previous table I'm taking. DSC first means serial number, name, and salary, 3 columns are there. But unfortunately, whenever I'm using the flashback table, Yes, name column and also salary column I'm dropping only. Those columns we cannot get it back. Only this column only we can get it back or not. Yes, yeah. That's why always we cannot get it back the columns. Impossible. That's why column dropping is a dangerous mechanism. Whenever you want to drop a column in a real-time project site, you want to ask the permission from the higher level person only. Now here those database administrator and project manager are always viewing what your operations only. That's why important operations we are try to perform truncate table or these type of dropping column means triggers their writing. Whenever you are trying to perform those operations, also errors it will be written in a real time security purpose. You are also writing a triggers in a future PLSQL side. Suppose you are trying to drop a table, also it won't work. Why? Because trigger you are writing security, you are providing only that much of powerful. But those all the things understandable means security. First you are understandable these type of concepts. Write a note. Write a note, write it fastly. Write a note. By using recycle bin, very simple. By using recycle bin, we can get it back. We can get it back. Dropped tables. We can get it back. Dropped tables. We can get it back. Dropped tables only. Better. We can get it back. Dropped tables only. But we cannot get it back. But we cannot get it back. Dropped columns. Dropped columns. Dropped columns by using flashback command. Because reason is there, because recycle bin does not store dropped columns. Does not store dropped columns. Does not store. Okay, na? Yeah. One fellow is telling a Praveen only, very good. Yes, actually, in Oracle documentation, you are observing is recycle bin stores only objects they are giving. It does not, so now column is not an object, he is giving the answer. Very good. Okay, now which one is the latestly we are dropping only? That is first drop. That is we are checking. Okay. Now finished this one. Okay. Now side heading recycle bin, fastly write it. Recycle bin write it. Recycle bin big concept, but you are understandable first time newcomer purpose. Normally I'm telling. Okay. That is a data dictionary actually, but normally I'm telling. Write it. Recycle bin, side heading. Oracle 10G introduced. Write it fast. Oracle 10G introduced recycle bin, which is used to store, dropped tables. If we want to view, first let it. If we want to view recycle bin, then we are using following syntax. Syntax show space recycle bin. In a future, your experience person is DS user underscore recycle bin data dictionary is there. That is original. But here just idea purpose show recycle. Now concentrate here. Actually, another DBA concept is there. That is you don't know also not a problem. But I am telling that concept also. What is that one? Suppose observe it here. Observe it here. Suppose this is same like a Windows recycle bin Oracle Corporation telling. That's why just what I am intimating to you means, suppose I am opening a recycle bin in a Windows. From the recycle bin also sometimes from the recycle bin also we are dropping a what these are documents possible or not possible. Suppose I want to drop this document and now from the recycle bin means just here we have to select it and delete it. Simple. And now here automatically that is okay, so now permanently it will be dropped. And now here same like whenever we are trying to delete a one object from one document from the where recycle bin means just we are using in a where Oracle side also from the recycle bin I want to drop a table means purge is a command first only we are giving purge table purge table name is a command we are using one purge is a first only command. Okay, now observe, I don't want like this. Sometimes I want to delete all the objects from the where all the documents from the where recycle bin. Select all the documents. Yes, delete it simply. Now here yes from the recycle bin in a where in a recycle bin only Windows. But same concept in a where Oracle recycle bin also they are giving only from the recycle bin all the tables at a time I want to drop from the recycle bin. Yes, just we are using a what purge recycle bin also possible. Purge recycle bin also possible only. That is also better to write. Why? Because same like a Windows concept. Really that concept you don't know also not a problem. Why? Because there is administrator using. But developer side also I'm interested. Why? Because that is easy, not a difficult. Write it. Fastly write it. It is also behaves like a it is also behaves like a it is also behaves like a Windows recycle bin. Windows recycle bin. That's why we can also drop. That's why we can also drop. We are doing this notes also easily understandable. That's why we can also drop single or all tables from recycle bin by using purge command. Fastly write it syntaxes. Write it to drop editing to drop single table at a time. Single table at a time from recycle bin, not a database, from recycle bin. Drop single table at a time from recycle bin. Okay, syntax write it. Purge table name to drop all tables at a time from recycle bin. To drop all tables at a time from recycle bin. Syntax write it. Syntax purge recycle bin. Purge recycle bin. Write it these two fast. Very easy, no? Write it fast. To drop single table at a time from recycle bin. Purge table name. To drop all tables at a time from recycle bin, Oracle Corporation will purge recycle bin. Just I'm applying a small thing, then you are understandable. Okay, na? Finished up. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Concentrate. I'm applying only simple anything, just a small example I'm telling. Suppose I'm creating a table. You are checking your own wish. Create table. Now here, anything. A1 is a table, for example. Yes, number is a column number. Any number of tables. Yes, again, I try to create a what? A2 is a table. For example, simple example. Example also not required because this is easiest concept. And now here, again, another table. A3 is a table. One time practice is enough. Don't try to practice more number of times in a fundamental one. These are very easy whenever we are in a future, you are a good programmer, means nothing is. Okay, now this is create table A3. Now I try to drop table name A1, A2, A3, A1, A2, A3, it won't work. A1 we are dropping one time, A2 we are dropping one time, again A3 we are dropping another time. Okay, yes, yeah. But these all tables are available in a where in a recycle bin. Drop table name A3. And now here check it out. Within time also it will be stored because same table name is there. Which table dropped first, which table get it back. That is important. That's what time also they are giving. But time and all these things leave that one. First observe, show recycle bin. Show recycle bin. At least first one observe it here. Oh, maybe A1, A2, A3 is there. But this object name, this time, these all the things you don't have an idea. Okay, fine. First, oh, maybe something A1, A2, A3 is there. Now I don't want to interested to get it back from the recycle bin. Already we are get it back. No, that's why from the recycle bin I'm interested to drop. From the recycle bin means how can I? Yes, here purge is a command. Here purge table name A1. Simple. Now here yes. Table purged is a message it will display, not a dropper. Table purged is a message. Purged is a message related to where recycle bin. Oh, maybe this is happened in the recycle bin only, this operation. Now again I want to interested to view means show recycle bin. Show recycle bin I am typing. Now automatically these two A1, A2, A3 is there. These are all the tables at a time I want to drop. Simple. Purge recycle bin. Simple. Purge recycle bin only. And now here yes, recycle bin purged. Anybody enterprise edition they are loading means try it. Anybody enterprise edition not there means expression it won't work. So okay, recycle bin purged. Okay, na? Show recycle bin means nothing is there in this case. Okay, in a database object, other database objects are there, it will be there. But first only I'm purging only. Fastly write it this one. This is very easy, nothing. Example, one example is enough. Write it fastly. Show recycle bin 2, we have to check it out. Capital letter, small letters, not a problem. Automatically capital letters are displayed. Okay, now purge table name. Firstly write it. Very easy this one. Two tables. Can we create two tables with same name? No. But once we are storing in a recycle bin, then possible. Normally not possible. In a database, not possible. Practically one time you are checking is easily understandable. Table purged. This one also write it. Purge recycle. Fastly write it. Next, another one is truncate. Truncate. Truncate is a command. Truncate is a dangerous command actually. Finished? We are viewing recycle bin, not viewing, not. Okay, now here, check it out. Now some fellows asking only, I have to delete a column. If column having a data possible. In a future data, we are learning only. Up to now, data is not there, no? Yes, that is also I'm showing. Don't worry. Those are all the things I will tell you in a DML command side. Now check it out. What is truncate means? Concentrate here. All the things I will tell you. Don't worry. One by one is there. Now here, check it out. Suppose here, this a table is there. Up to now, we are not inserting a data. Only columns you have an idea because structure no DDLs. But unfortunately, data also there. Data means, okay, so in this column, some data, in this column, some data, some rows are there, okay, like this. Whatever blue lines are there, there is a data, okay. Now, whenever we are using a what truncate table name is what happened, this data is, total data is permanently deleted. Only columns are available. Only columns are available. Again, I want to get it back the data. Impossible, dangerous mechanism. That's why delete and truncate, what the difference means into you're asking only. Whenever in a tomorrow, yes, DML commands I'm telling, delete and truncate differences practically and okay, diagrammatically I'm showing. That is most powerful. But normally truncate means very easy. Suppose here, now check it out, concentrate here. In a table I'm taking, up to now, table data you don't have an idea. Maybe in my okay system, okay, this table is there, bank is a table is there. This data, how can I insert means I will tell you. This is a data. This is a data. Now here, this total rows I want to delete. Particular rows means delete command is there. Next DML commands, but all rows I want to delete means just we are using. Now how can I draw? Sorry, truncate. Don't write it. Truncate table name bank only. Whenever we are using a what truncate table bank like this, table is truncated, permanently deleted the data. Don't try to delete EMP table data because we cannot get it back again. That is a dangerous mechanism. That's why another table I'm taking. Okay, just practice purpose. Now here observe. Later you are inserting a data next class side. Now here really columns are available. Yes, data I want to view means select statement. Select star from bank only. No rows selected. But here DSC bank like this only, here columns are available. That's why select star from bank means no row selected, data is permanently removed, but columns are available. Okay. Yes, whenever we are using a what? A truncate table name, all rows are permanently deleted, but columns are available. Okay. Yeah. So now write it. Truncate. Oracle 7.0. 7.0 version is there. Oracle 7.0 introduced truncate command. Oracle 7.0 introduced truncate command. Truncate command is used to delete all rows means data, all rows permanent. To delete all rows permanently from a table. Syntax, truncate, table name. Write it this one. Oracle 7.0 introduced truncate command. Truncate command is used to delete all rows permanently from a table. Truncate table name. Suppose already table is there in a feature, data you are inserting next classes, I know, insert into some system, no. In that case, you are practicing only. Up to that one, practice is not required. Example, write it. Syntax all are writing truncate table name. Up to now, data you don't have an idea? Yeah. Suppose write it example. This is a table is there. For example, in a future, these tables you have an idea. This is a table is there. I'm creating. Table truncated. Testing only. Select star from back. No rows selected. DSC back. This data also write it. Next rename is there. That is tomorrow I will tell you. Renaming a column, very important. Then DML statement, insert, update, delete, most powerful those things. Okay, 6 over convert batch is there. Tomorrow I will tell you remaining. Up to this one, practice it. Remaining tomorrow I will tell you. Tomorrow we'll continue. Take a snap, this one enough. Truncate is not dropping all columns, deleting data, this one, this data. Columns are available. These columns are available, only data is deleting. Tomorrow delete command and truncate command difference understandable, no? Then practically we are sure. Terminology important, data, truncate, delete, like that.